Step 1. Find the driver's seat cover. This is the one that will have the seatcovers.co.uk tag on the door side of the seat. Step 2. Put the cover over the top of the seat and headrest, like putting on a t-shirt. Thread the headrest through the cover and bring it through the elasticated hole at the top. Once through, pull the cover all the way down at the sides, front and back. Step 3. Locate the foam tuck-in pouch and the elasticated straps. Undo the elasticated straps. Step 4. Push the tuck-in pouch firmly into the gap between the backrest and seat base. Step 5. Pull the bottom of the cover over the seat base and wrap the skirt under the front corners of the seat. Step 6. At each side of the base, you'll see 2 elastic straps with Velcro ends. Pull these behind the seat. Step 7. Connect the straps together so they pull the base skirt back. Step 8. Remove any bunching at the back and sides and pull the material tight for a neat finish. Step 9. At the top of the cover, tuck the material into the headrest plastic housing and tie the string together. Cut or tuck away any excess string. Step 10. Attach the headrest cover to the headrest, like putting on a hat. Step 11. Repeat the process for the passenger seat. And you're done.